What car are you taking?
I think I'm gonna take the Corvette.
Do you want to go? Have you gotten the Corvette yet?
No, I haven't. Have with you?
Man, myth, legend. Got Lenny with his Tesla. Appreciate it, man.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So we just finished a little meeting with Lenny. If you guys aren't familiar with Lenny, Lenny's the top, one of the top real estate agents here in Arizona that we've been working with. Both Nick and I have done some form of, business with him, and we were just talking about like what's next. He was talking to us about his current Airbnb, and it's so crazy. He showed us the numbers of like how it's being booked out and making like $3,000 to $4,000 a month just off of that Airbnb, fully paying for the house, and on top of that plus more. So that really inspired Nick and I to now start looking potentially for an Airbnb and not just flip. So we just ended up throwing a couple ideas at one another about what we were interested in, and he answered a couple of questions that Nick had. You bought a house here maybe 3 months ago, right?
Yeah, exactly 3 months ago.
Yeah, so it was just really cool to meet up with Lenny and with Nick. Now we're heading to the bank right now to cash the check that I actually didn't get through Lenny, but I was a hard money lender for Lenny. He just refinanced on the house, so therefore I got bought out. So we're gonna go ahead and deposit, I think it's $288,000 right now. We're gonna deposit that. We'll do a trading recap on the day, and then we'll probably just hit the gym.
Yeah, a little workout.
Oh, I like it, I like it. All right, guys, there we go. Here at Chase. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky. So we just finished a quick little random meeting. It's actually not something that I thought I was gonna do, but I know you guys sometimes like to hear me talk about this, as it's more of the back end stuff. Like many of you guys know, we run TechBut's Garage. We have Weston and Caleb, who are absolutely amazing when it comes down to buying and reselling cars. Overall, just having a huge focus on getting cars for a good deal. Now we're in the works of establishing, or really Caleb and Weston, and opening their own dealership. They found a location. They're working with the current owner, trying to work out a deal. And now, just to be able to assist them, we kind of set up this whole business plan for them, and in all honesty, they really did. And TechButs, it's literally just going to fund their business and give them like a $200,000 credit line, and allowing them to have a decent amount of capital for the lease, and on top of that, to have a decent amount of capital for the cars that they'll be able to buy and sell and provide for the general public. So it was about 30 minutes. It wasn't too bad. We're talking about the rates that we would charge them, what we wanted in return, and their overall business plan, and making sure that it's in their best interests, to go through with opening this dealership. So it was a lot of fun. It was a little bit different. Altogether, if you guys could see, I ended the day a little bit over $1,500. So made a little bit of a mistake. I was up over $1,600, took a position on DWT, if I'm not mistaken, and ended up closing that position. I actually could have sold it for a profit. Altogether, very pleased, very thankful, very blessed for how the day played out. So it hasn't been the most productive day, but it hasn't been bad. It's been a lot of fun. I'm gonna hit the gym with Nick and the boys right now, and maybe grab some food, but just really wanted to say what's up. Thank you guys again for watching and all your guys' time. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading session if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, and if you guys have any questions about joining, join our free Facebook group. That's that first link down below. And if you want to learn more about what the Learn Plan Profit team has to offer, then click that second link. It's about a 3 to 4 minute video, and it explains exactly what's included in Learn Plan Profit to see if it's a good fit for you. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.